Hey, what's up, you guys? So we're gonna jump right into this video. First, I'm starting off with the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm using a beauty sponge to blend that out. I purchased this beauty sponge from Walmart. I think it's from the brand Eco Styles. I'll link it in the description box below because I'm not 100% sure what the name brand of this sponge is from. But I'm just taking that foundation and I'm just going all over my face and making sure that it's blended out really well. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm using my go-to Ride or Die Holy Grail concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I love this concealer so much. It has definitely taken the place of my Tarte Shape Tape. Like, I don't even reach for that anymore. As sad as it is, but I love it because it's so much more cheaper, it's inexpensive, and it gets the job done, and it gives me the coverage that I need. Alright, you guys, so I'm taking that sponge, the same sponge I used to blend out my foundation, and I'm going to just blend that concealer on out. Alright, next I'm going in with this Black Radiance concealer stick. I love the color and the coverage. The only thing that I would say is that it dries really fast, so you really have to really work with it fast. And I think where I messed up was I used a brush instead of using the sponge, and I think if I would have used that damp beauty sponge, then it would have worked out a whole lot better for me. But you know, you live and you learn, and that's why a lot of things are just tests and trials. You're testing out products and you're just seeing, how they work for you. Hey guys, in this video, my voice sounds really raspy. I filmed this video about 4 days ago, but I'm just doing the voiceover today because life has been crazy as heck. So, if my voice sounds a little raspy, I'm just getting over an upper respiratory infection. So that's why I haven't been filming a lot, because I have just not been feeling up to it. And just working is just draining and taking a lot of my energy. So that's why my voice sounds like this. But you guys already know what I'm setting my concealer with. The Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. I love this powder so much. Alright, you guys, I'm going in with the ColourPop Take Me Home palette, and I'm going to link the shades in this video, but the first shade I'm going in with this really pretty earth tone brown, and I'm going to use this as a transition color. Guys, this look is super simple. It's not hard to achieve at all, but I'm just taking that color, like I said, and I'm just blending it throughout my crease, and this is going to serve as my transition color. I love using earth tones and shades that are like nearest to my skin complexion to use as transition shades. All right, next I'm going in with another brown shade, and I'm going to take that and just pop that right in my crease, but a little bit below that transition color. And next I'm going to go in with the darker brown shade, and like I said, I'll link these shadows in the video so you guys can see what shadows I'm using. But this is a really quick short video and quick look, so I was really, didn't see the need to really explain too much because it's really super simple. But I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm just popping that onto my lid. Now don't worry, this doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to go in and blend it out anyway. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm taking that brush and I'm dipping it back into that darker brown shade, picking up as little product as possible, and I'm just blending it out, making sure the shadows really kind of diffuse because I really want the crease to just really just kind of fade and look real gradient. Alright, you guys, next I'm going in and I'm knocking away that powder, and at the same time, you already know I'm setting my foundation with the Sephora foundation powder. I love it so much. This is my favorite powder like ever. I haven't come across one that I've loved this much, so I use it in every video. Like, I'm gonna start switching up my products so you guys don't think I'm so predictable. But next I'm going in and I'm just contouring. I'm using the Black Radiance powder just to give my face a little bit more shape so it doesn't look so round and fat like it normally does. Anywho, just kidding, guys. But I'm going in, just contouring, doing Well, I said not too much, but I always go overboard with my contour. And next, I'm going in with my favorite blush of all time, the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. And next, I'm just going to clean up those brows. Today, I was going for like a not today, that particular day, I was going for a natural brow. So I didn't clean them up, and I didn't do the Instagram brows as some people would say. But I think you like what you like, and you should do what you do. It doesn't matter. And to fill in my brows, I'm using the darkest brown in that ColourPop eyeshadow palette. And that color just really, it wasn't too dark and it wasn't too light. It was just the perfect brown for my eyebrow color, and I just loved using it. Like, it matched perfectly. I didn't even have to mix shadows like I would when I use my NYX palette to fill in my brows, but I love using eyeshadow to fill in my brows. So I was just going for a natural brown, nothing too crazy, just something simple. Next, I'm highlighting with my favorite highlighter of life at the moment, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I'm also going to take a little bit of that highlighter and I'm going to pop it in my inner corner. As you guys will notice, I did add some lashes, and those are the Kisses Natural Lash. And last but not least, I'm going in with the lips, and I'm using the Stila liquid lipstick in the shade Patina, which is my go-to lip product. Alright, you guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short, but I promise to upload a lot more in the future. But I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.